Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Ada, ini dah, memang tak.
Kum kadak ka jingkit bok kit ruyang ya kinong ile kai kari India. Kiban leit ye kun ha ki jing ile kai ba pher ha ka Olympic kaban long hanong ba Tokyo. Menteri Ketenaga ile kai jong ka sarkar jilla ba bantai dor lingdo ulania bicycle nado na secretariat shado khandailan ban leit shondur ha ka jaka bala pun krek kerpang ban ye shondur kum ka jingkit bok ya kinong ile kai kari. Lasenran lang yo menteri do Presiden jong ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Karshiying bat ki wei pat ki officer sarkar harengkat ka jingidon lang ki samlanya bicycle nakani ka jilla. Uba John F. Karshiying uli yatho bakidon shispa arpo hunyongut ki rang bat ki thei yele ka jong kari ki ban yakun ha ki jingile ka ba pher ha ka Olympic.
Review your shirt and you know, tomorrow is a big day for India. 127 athletes will be participating for India. So, in a small way, Meghalaya also, sports department, government of Meghalaya State Olympic Association, we are all come here and request you, the media, thank you very much. Request you, the media, also to promote for the next 2 weeks, cheer for India.
We have come here to inaugurate this selfie stand, which has been organized by the government of Meghalaya as well by the Meghalaya State Olympic Association. Our Honorable Prime Minister of India for supporting Team India for the Olympics. At the same time also, our Union Sports Minister Anurag Ji and the previous Sports Minister also, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, for being supporting of our state in different aspects of sports. At the same time also, I would like to thank all the youth of our state, because without youth we cannot move forward. Youth is a future of a state, and I wish all the best for the Team India to success to bring medal for the state as a whole. Okay, I'm very happy once again for I got the ribbon. I'll just say, cheers for Indian team.
Cheers for India team. Yes. Okay. All right.
The government of Meghalaya, we organize this for supporting of the Team India. It's not the it's not the best time, I must say. But it's a very, very difficult time. In spite of that also, the Team India, which is the government of India, we have organized this. That's why we want to support, to go along, to support them, to win the medal, to bring, medal for the nation. That's why we came here to inaugurate this selfie stand to support the India team. The government of the day, we are trying our best to support the youth of the state, especially in sports, which you see the stadium JN complex for it's been built last 30 years. So how do you expect to produce athletes? We don't have that much facilities. That's why now government of Meghalaya, we have come up with different aspect of construction. PA Sangma, its work is going on around 100 crores something. JN complex 34 crores. We all call the tender, which will be commissioned maybe by September, and 97 crores also for the indoor stadium, which include all the indoor game. It will be called tender by September. So infrastructure is coming, and a part of that also in different district also we have starting to build indoor sports multi-purpose hall, at the same time artificial turf, synthetic running turf in different districts, not only for Shillong.
The athletes of India, 127 athletes in 18 disciplines. So India is also a young country at the Olympics, and we hope this year we are praying, we are keeping our fingers crossed that will cross the double digit. We are very hopeful. We have a very strong contingent. Prominent sports like shooting, boxing, very good chance in wrestling, very good chance in weightlifting. So, we are hoping, we are really, really hoping. Athletics also, we have a big contingent. So, we have all joined with India. I request the media also. We cheer for India today, #cheer4India, and we hope they will bring medals for the country, and we hope this will inspire our children to also aspire to become an Olympian. We look forward to our athletes to work hard, to dedicate themselves to become Olympians, because this is a very, very good journey.